Can I actually afford $1 million home? That sounds crazy to a lot of people, but here in Southern California, $1 million home is becoming normal. In cities like Lakewood, Cerritos, Long Beach, Torrance, and parts of Orange County, a basic family home can easily cost $2 or over $1 million. So today I want to break down the real numbers. How much income do you actually need? What does the monthly payment look like? What jobs are helping people afford these homes? And most importantly, would buying $1 million home actually make sense for you financially? Let's get into it. What's going on, everyone? I'm Christopher Wall, realtor serving Los Angeles and Orange County. If you're thinking about buying a home in Southern California, chances are you've already realized something. Prices are high, really high. And a lot of buyers are wondering whether owning $1 million home is realistic anymore. So in this video, I'm going to break down monthly payments, income requirements, hidden costs, and the types of careers that are actually buying these homes in Southern California. Now, if you're from another part of the country, hearing the phrase start a home for $1 million probably sounds insane. But here in Southern California, it's becoming more common every year. A standard 3-bedroom home in Lakewood, Cerritos, Long Beach, Huntington Beach, Torrance, or Irvine can easily range from $900,000 to over $1.2 million. And many of these aren't giant luxury mansions either. Some are older homes that just happen to be in desirable areas with limited inventory. So when people ask, who is actually buying these homes? The answer is usually dual income, business owners, people rolling equity from another home, high income professionals, or buyers who purchased years ago and benefited from appreciation. Now let's talk about the real monthly payment, because this is where things get eye-opening. Let's say you buy a $1 million home with 20% down, which would be $200,000 down, leaving an $800,000 loan amount. At current interest rates, your monthly payment might look something like this. Principal and interest around $5,300 to $5,800 per month. Property taxes around $1,000 per month. Homeowners insurance roughly $150 to $250 monthly. And if there's an HOA, that could add anywhere from $100 to several hundred more every month. So realistically, you're probably looking at somewhere around $6,500 to $7,500 per month. And that's before utilities, repairs, maintenance, landscaping, or unexpected expensive. This is why I always tell buyers, don't just focus on whether you can qualify for the home, focus on whether you can comfortably live after buying it. So how much income do you need? So how much income do you realistically need? Most lenders want your debt to income ratio somewhere around 43% or lower. So for $1 million home, many buyers realistically need household incomes around $180,000 to $200,000 or even $250,000 plus. Now, could someone technically qualify for less? Possibly, especially if they have large down payments, excellent credit, low debt, or special financing programs. But qualifying and being financially comfortable are two completely different things. You do not want to be house poor, meaning no savings, no emergency fund, maxed out financially, stressed every month trying to make payments. That's not financial freedom. That is financial pressure. So, what jobs can actually afford this? What jobs can actually afford homes like these? And honestly, a lot of $1 million homeowners in Southern California are not celebrities or ultra wealthy people. Many are simply professionals with strong careers and dual incomes, possibly someone like you. One of the biggest categories is in healthcare. I see nurses, nurse practitioners, pharmacists, doctors, and healthcare administrators largely buying homes throughout Southern California, especially people with dual income households. Two strong healthcare incomes together can qualify very well. Another major category is tech and engineering. Careers like software engineering, cybersecurity, aerospace engineering, IT management can earn very high incomes here, especially in areas like Irvine, El Segundo, Long Beach, Orange County, and the South Bay. Now, another category people seriously underestimate is skilled trades, such as electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, contractors, and union workers. Some experienced trade people in California make extremely strong incomes, especially with overtime. Business owners and sales professionals are another huge group. That includes realtors like me, mortgage lenders, medical sales, tech sales, and entrepreneurs. Sales careers can scale income very quickly if you're good at it. And of course, law enforcement and firefighters are heroes, especially dual income households. Many firefighters and officers in California earn substantial incomes with overtime and long-term benefits. And since this is Southern California, you also have content creators, YouTubers, entertainment professionals, production workers, buying homes as well. But here's the key thing. It's not only about income. The people who stay financially comfortable usually also have low debt, strong credit, savings, and long-term discipline. Because someone making $250,000 per year can still end up financially struggling if they overspend. The hidden costs. Now, let's talk about the hidden costs no one talks about. Because owning $1 million home is expensive beyond just the mortgage. Repairs cost more. Insurance costs more. Property taxes are higher. Everything gets more expensive. One roof repair could cost $15,000 to $25,000. HVAC replacement, another major expense. And if you stretch yourself too thin financially, the house starts owning you instead of the other way around. So, should you buy one? Should you buy $1 million home? Honestly, it depends. If you have stable income, strong reserves, manageable debt, and long-term plans to stay in the area, then yes, it could absolutely make sense. Southern California real estate historically has a strong long-term demand, but if buying the house completely drains your savings, your flexibility, your peace of mind, or your ability to invest elsewhere, then it may make more sense to buy smaller, buy in a different area, or wait until your financial position is stronger. There is nothing wrong with buying smart. So, if you want help figuring out what you could realistically afford in today's market, reach out to me directly. I can help you understand monthly payments, connect with lenders, compare cities, and create a strategy that actually makes sense financially. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think $1 million homes are worth it in California anymore? I'll see you in the next video.